In this tutorial, we'll learn how to leverage foundational generative AI models from notebooks in Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench. With Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench, I can leverage foundational models from the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Generative AI service. These models are useful for several tasks related to my data, including generating new columns based on current ones or summarizing and asking questions about the data. In this scenario, I want to analyze supplier reviews for my company's products directly in AI Data Platform Workbench. From my workspace, I'll open my notebook. With the master catalog open in the catalog view, I'll expand the default in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure AI model nodes to display all the foundational models available for me to query in this notebook. I can only run data queries on this notebook if I'm assigned the use permission on the base model and my AI Data Platform Workbench is in the same region as the generative AI model. I'll select the code frame to enable it for editing, then select Run to load the data into the frame. I want to use Cohere's latest model to work with this data. So I'll drag it into a cell to populate it with the syntax used to reference the model. Within the code, df represents the data frame name, and output column name is where the output results from the LLM query will be stored for each row. Your prompt here is where I'll add my model prompt, and input column name is where I'll specify what columns to include as part of my query. I want to rank supplier reviews on a scale of 1 to 10 based on their sentiment. I'll construct a query by using the appropriate data frame, which is df in my scenario. I'll set the output column name to sentiment score. Next, I'll set the prompt to score the sentiment of the product review on a scale of 1 to 10. Only respond with the number score and nothing else. And finally, I'll set the input column name to review text 1. I'll also add code to display the resulting data frame. I'll then run the query. The query is successful. I now see the resulting data frame of supplier name, review text, and sentiment score. I can also do a broader sentiment analysis, for example, classifying reviews as negative, neutral, or positive. Here, I'll set the output to sentiment category and use a prompt that directs the model to give one of these categories. For longer reviews, I can use another model to generate a one-sentence summary for each review, using the same query syntax. To try a different model, I'll swap out the model name in the reference and rerun the code. For this example, I'll switch to MetaLlama 3370B instruct and confirm it works. By leveraging foundational models, I can quickly analyze customer and supplier feedback at scale, automate sentiment scoring, and generate rich text summaries all within my notebook without leaving AI Data Platform Workbench, streamlining my workflow and unlocking new insights with minimal code. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench in the links below.